products, I literally cannot live without them, and I'm gonna tell you why. First off, we're gonna start with this. This is the Weleda Skin Food. It's a rich, intensive skincare for face and body. I would not want to be stuck on an island to do my makeup without Weleda. This provides the perfect base for your makeup to glide upon, and we all know that if your makeup prep isn't eating, your makeup will not eat. And it guarantees that your makeup will have something to sit on, a barrier between your skin and your makeup for it to look amazing. Chef's kiss. The next item is none other than the most amazing product to hit the beauty market in 2024. It is the Made by Michelle Curve case. I personally have one in deep. I used to have the medium, but I found that the deep worked better for me. This product, it's rich, it's creamy, it's full, and it is definitely buildable. If you're traveling, it's compact, it's lightweight. It contains blush and contour shades that are guaranteed to make your makeup snatched and very, very cohesive. The formula of this product is amazing, and chef's kiss to Michelle. You did a thing in 2024. The next product I would not want to be stuck on an island without is none other than the Trigwell Hollow Setting Mist. This product looks small, but it is mighty. It's guaranteed to give your makeup that melt. This setting mist is guaranteed to provide you with the cohesion that your face needs to move in between steps. With this, you can't go wrong. Trust me. And last but not the least, we have the amazing L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. This has been my ride or die. I know there was a lot of hullabaloo and comparison when she first came out, but when I tell you she stays true to the mission, she understands the motive, and she's gonna keep your makeup sitting all night. I've never not had my makeup sit overnight with her, and she is definitely one that I will recommend. I know there's been a lot of comparison, but for me personally, nothing comes close to her, especially for something that is not too harmful for your skin, but is still guaranteed to give you the hold that you need for your makeup to not budge. I will definitely recommend this. So guys, these are the products that are coming with me from 2024 into 2025. Let me know in the comments, what's your holy grail product? Bye!